Hello and welcome to everyone. Myself Shraddha Devkar from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Bavdhan, Pune. Class 12, subject English. Our today's topic is report writing from writing skills. First of all, we will see what is the report. A report is a written account of something that one has observed, heard, done, or investigated. It is a systematic and well organized presentation of facts and findings of an event that has already taken place somewhere. Reports are used as a form of written assessment to find out what you have learned from your reading, research, or experience and to give you experience of an important skill that is widely used in the workplace. Now we will see parts of the report. First one is headline, a descriptive title which is expressive of the contents of the report. Second one is dateline. It includes three parts. First one is name of reporter or news agency. For example, by our reporter or by our local reporter. Second one is date. For example, 2nd August. Third one is name of city or town. For example, Mumbai. Now, third one is the opening paragraph or introduction. The first paragraph of report is known as lead because it leads reader to the second paragraph of news. It should be of 3 or 4 lines or within 30 words. This paragraph provides answers to the question like who, how, where, when, why and what. These questions are asked in respect of the event or incident happened. Fourth one is continuing paragraph. It gives the detailed description of the event. The sequence of description is first you have to write the most important, less important and least important information. Fifth one is concluding paragraph. It can either be a summary of the whole situation, a conclusion, condemnation, appeal or warning. Now you can see the format of the report. Title, dateline, introduction, continuing paragraph, concluding paragraph. Now we will see do's and don'ts while writing a report. Read the question at least twice and highlight the important information. Plan before you pen. Just make a list of all your important points on the rough sheet. You can write on last sheet of your answer booklet so that you do not forget relevant points while writing. This also helps you in maintaining a sequence which is very important. Be factual and do not add any information on your own that may seem fictitious. Write in indirect speech and preferably in passive voice. Write in third person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me or you. Avoid imposing your personal opinions and do not make any conclusions. Answer the questions to when, where, why, what, who and how. Make sure you write in paragraphs. Presentation is very important. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. They carry marks. Underlining the main points is very important. Thank you so much.